Using the year-on-year changes as a predictor, what will the percentage increase in profit for waves be by 2021? Give your answer to one decimal place. First, we're going to need to calculate the costs currently and use the year-on-year change to find the costs in 2021. So first, let's calculate the costs in this year, which is 2018. So the costs are the turnover, 897 million, take away the profit, 644 million, which is 253, and waves is in euros, so 253 million. That's the costs in 2018. Now, we can use these predictors to find out the costs and the turnover in 2021. So the year-on-year change in turnover is 4.8%. So if we start with the turnover in 2018, that's 897 million. And then we want to increase by 4.8%. That's like taking 100% and adding 4.8% to get 104.8%. And then we can write that as a decimal, 1.048. If we increase it by this once, that's for 1 year, that'd leave us in 2019. We want to go to 2021, so we do it 3 times. It's the same as cubing the multiplier. That leaves us with 1032.47. That's in million euros. That's turnover in 2021. And we'll use that later on. So we can do the same thing for costs. We know the costs in 2018 are 253 million. And we're reducing this by 3% every time. If we take 100% and reduce that by 3%, it's 97%, or 0.97. Over 3 years, we're going to raise it to the power 3, which is costs of 230.91 million euros. So that's the costs in 2021. We want to know the percentage increase in profit. So at the moment, we have turnover and costs. We can calculate profit by taking one away from the other. 1032.47 turnover, take away costs, which is a profit of 801.56 million euros. Finally, let's calculate the percentage increase in profit. This is the new value here, so we start with that, 801.56. These are all in millions. Take away the original profit, which is here, 644 million, and divide by the original. Then multiply by 100 to express it as a percentage. That gives us 24.5% increase, which is answer 3.